Hi friends, Christine McKinley here with the Orlando Real Estate Chicks. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through a really cool neighborhood. It's new construction in Oviedo. These are 3-story townhomes, and I have a very soft spot for 3-story townhomes because my very first house I ever bought was a 3-story townhome in Oviedo, and it was right at Oviedo on the Park. They were built in like 2016, and I just love these. I think that they are huge. These are like over 2,000 square feet. I loved being able to lock up my front door, lock up the garage, and just leave, not have to worry about a yard, not have to worry about anything. They're nice and bright in the house. They are updated, they're beautiful, they're gorgeous, and they are selling now. So these are selling for around the mid 500s, and I don't know a lot about this community, so I'm about to go meet the sales agent. And sorry, I'm getting text messages from clients. I'm gonna go meet the sales agent and learn a lot more about this and video these for you guys. But it is a pretty small community. It's just like one alley where all the garages face each other. It's not like a bunch of roads. It's kind of in the beginning of the heart of Oviedo. I'm not gonna say it's in the heart of Oviedo. It's really close to Oviedo High School. It's gonna be zoned all of the best Oviedo schools. It's really close to Oviedo on the Park and all of the shopping and really great restaurants that have come in the last like 5-10 years. So this area is gonna be prime, but it's going to be a smaller neighborhood. I believe that the HOA was like $260 a month. It's not gonna have a pool. It's not gonna have anything like that because it's kind of small compared to all of the other townhome communities, which is pretty cool. I can tell you that they're beautiful, and I'm going to tell you a lot more once I meet with her and learn more about these. Okay, so here we are. This is the Towns at North Lake in Oviedo. These are the 3-story townhomes, completely luxury on the inside. I have a full tour of all of the models right now. They're actually not even for sale yet. They're about to be released early April. So these are all the same floor plan, which is really cool. A lot of these townhome communities, they will have like 3 or 4 floor plans, but these are all 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathrooms. And what's really cool is they're also spec homes. So the finishes on all these properties is already picked out, and they have 3 different design packages. They have the farmhouse, which is this one, and this is their only staged model. So it's going to be much prettier than the other 2 that I'm going to show you, but this is the farmhouse. So you have kind of more of these farmhouse finishes, the chandelier, even the kitchen and the backsplash and everything like that is kind of a farmhouse vibe. The finishes themselves, obviously your home would not be painted green or painted anything but white, but you can paint your own home. But the finishes are picked out. So these chandeliers are included, the backsplash is included. And again, this is the farmhouse. So this one has the oak wood cabinets, but they have a white color, and then they also have like I think it's a navy, she said, that they have. So you know, it would have the same backsplash, it would have the same chandeliers, it would have the same appliances, but the color of the cabinets would be different. So that's the only change here. The other 2 that they have one that's kind of like a modern one, and then they have one that she calls the traditional. So I think that we're going to see the traditional next and then the modern after that. So you will see all of the finishes. Now, again, the other 2 are not staged. So this is definitely the most like wow factor one. But the other ones are also super beautiful, and you can envision your furniture there. So down here, we have a half bath to the left, and then upstairs is the other bedrooms. And then as we came in, there was the sales center to the right, but that would also be a bedroom or a flex space, whatever you want it to be. So this is the master. Again, they have it so cute and staged and all that good stuff. And then down the hallway to the right is all the other bedrooms. So enjoy the tour. All right, so now we're gonna head to the other unit. This one is, again, not staged. This one is about to be for sale, so it might be a little bit of sticker shock to not see the furniture in here, but this is that traditional model. And again, we have this downstairs bedroom, which this is actually really popular in 3-story townhomes, and this is a great use of space. There's a full bathroom down here too. So if you have like a teenager, or maybe you are coming into town to have your kid go to UCF, that would be a really, really nice area for, it's almost like an in-law suite. So as you can see, this is just a little bit different finishes, more contemporary. I also love this model with the shaker cabinets. I love the chandeliers that they have, those pendant lights. So a completely different look, very clean, very modern, even though the next one that we're going to see is even more modern. So this is everything that you're going to get in the home: the backsplash, the cabinets, the countertops, and I love the trim that they did. I love the hood that they did. So super, super beautiful. And after this, we're going to go up the stairs so that you can see the master bedroom and the master bathroom. But of course, this is going to be the exact same floor plan as the farmhouse because they're all the exact same floor plan. So upstairs is the full 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and then downstairs is that, you know, flex space or like almost an in-law suite. So they're all going to be that exact same one. And for the very last one, so this will be the last of the 3 like styles that they have. This one's the most modern one, and this is the one that they currently have one at a much more discounted price. You can reach out to me for pricing that's cash only, and if you paid cash, this would save you like about $50,000. So if you are interested in these and you have cash, reach out to me because there's a really good deal on this particular model. I believe whenever we get upstairs, I'll show you the kitchen cabinets, but I believe that the one that is the really good price, they have like a beautiful, really deep navy blue cabinet. So I think it would just look beautiful in this. A lot of people are loving the all white cabinets, but I do love that farmhouse, like that oak color. And I also love a navy blue cabinet. So I think that these would be stunning with a little bit of color in the cabinets. And I also really, really love these pendant lights here. They're wrapped in plastic right now just to keep everything perfect, but they are stunning. So again, this one is the most modern one, and I love it. I love all of these. I think that they did a really good job of the upgrades, and you can't really tell in this video, but all of the floor on this second floor is a tile. So that's a really nice, just maintenance-free kind of flooring. All right, so enjoy the tour on this one. These townhome communities are so popular because if you're moving to Oviedo and your price point is, you know, between $400,000 and $500,000 and you want something updated, it is going to be easier to find a townhome for you than it is to find a single family home. That is just a very tricky, sticky price point in Oviedo right now. I would suggest if that is your price point and you're thinking about making a move to Oviedo, open up your search to townhomes and you might like what you see. As always, thank you so much for sticking around and watching this video. If you need any help buying in Oviedo, buying in Seminole County, or anywhere really in Central Florida, give me a call, scan this QR code, and let's get in touch. Bye.